I'll show you how to get MovieBox for free with no ads. So first go and install the tweakbox profile by doing exactly what I do. So go to tweakboxapp.com, link is in the description. Click install now, click allow, click install, put in your passcode, click install, click done. So I'm just going to put this in the front. So open up tweakbox, it should be on your home screen. Close any ads that come up and go down and go to tweakbox apps, go down, there's MovieBox right there, and install it, and install. Press the home button and it should be on your home screen right here. There it is. Make sure you trust the profile in settings before you open MovieBox. Now, as you can see, MovieBox works. Please like and subscribe. Catch you later.